2013 Chevy Cruze cabin filter and wiper blades replacement. So for the cabin filter, you want to come open your glove box, get anything out that you got in there. Now it has this little rope thing right here. You're gonna have to take this out, and it should have one of these on each side. Those are like little bumpers. You want to pop those out. Mine's missing on the left side, but I'll show you what to do on the right side. So first, what I would do is you want to kind of pull this rope on the inside outward so you can get some slack, and you're gonna push that little plastic part through the hole like this. It helps if you push the glove box upward, it'll give you more slack, and you're just going to push this through here. It's okay, you can let it go, it'll retract, but it's easy to get to, or it's not too bad to get to. But and then this guy, you're supposed to be able to slide it either, I think it's backwards, and then you could just kind of pull it out. Same thing, lift the glove box upwards, it'll give you more room. Take these out on both sides, and then you should be able to drop this glove box easily. You might want to just squeeze the sides of the glove box and then pull it down if you don't want to take those little bumpers out. And then you could take it off the hinges if you want and set it to the side. Now here's the access door to the cabin filter. It might have a screw here and it might have a screw right here. I think when these come off the assembly line, they have screws in them. So you can take those out. And then what you want to do is, there's like two little plastic tabs right here. You need to push the outer one kind of outwards, and then from the top over here, you could see right here, just push that outside a little outwards. Do not rage push that, it'll break and it'll be hard to get these back on. So just generally be very careful and patient with the cabin access door. And then we're going to squeeze your cabin filter any way you can and just pull it out here like that. Boom, got the cabin filter here. And then if you see any pine needles or leaves in there, get them out, obviously with the car off so you don't chop your fingers off with the blow motor on. Cabin air filter, here's my new one. This is a AC DELCO, pretty much a GM brand. I'll link it to the description and comments. Airflow has an arrow pointing down, so on the side of it, I don't know if you saw, but it says airflow with the arrow pointing down. You want to put it in with the arrow pointing down. Now it can only go in one way. See, that's the wrong way, so I need to rotate it like this and then slide it in. And then once it's in, it should be pretty easy to shut this lid. Just do it carefully, because sometimes these will just break off and it's really annoying. But yeah, just push that lid back on carefully. It should snap into place and be good, and then you just got to put your glove box back in. Again, check the comments and the links for check the comments in the description for the links to the part. Here's your hinges where you hook this back on. Just, you know, it's pretty straightforward. You just put the hooks back on, and then you might have to push down on it a little bit for it to grab, and then you put everything back in. So what I would recommend start with is pull this guy down, don't yank him down, and then push your glove box upwards, and then you'll push this back in, and it's going to want to just fly out and go back to where it was. So you use two hands, get it like that. All right. And then you can put your little rubber bumpers in. You're going to push this upwards, so it'll give you access to a hole in there. And you just push this in like that. And then these are supposed to snap into place and be, you know, real cool and easy, but they always break. They're loose all the time. So don't beat yourself up if it ain't working out for you. But that's it, guys. So get that one in too. Hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next video for the cabin filter. Now let's move to the wipers. So here's the wipers. This is my, I got these from AC DELCO too. These are the GM ones. They match up perfectly as far as size goes. Made in Korea, just like any good American product. Now with these, once you get the old wiper off, you want to, it's like a hook style. So we're going to slide it like that, and then you're going to just slide it in, and it'll lock into place. Now on the next wiper, I'm going to show you how to take it off. I'm going to try to get a decent camera angle. There's my part number. And here's my other one. All right, so what you want to do is, there's a little tab on my bottom finger there. I don't know if you see, but I was pushing that button to release the little lock, and then you slide it down off of the hook. Here's my new one. There's the hole. I'm going to put this hook in the hole right there, and then I'm going to slide it into the hook, and then it'll lock into place. This isn't the best video about the wiper blade replacement, sorry guys, but it's a little information for you. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
Pretty good.